Deploying your own storage for backups, media files, or static assets is a task that usually takes a significant amount of time. You need to provision a server, choose a disk configuration, set up a file system, deploy an S3-compatible service, or build a Ceph cluster, configure access keys, policies, encryption, and quotas. Only after that can you actually start uploading data. The standard approach is to do everything manually, constantly referring to documentation. It's time-consuming, and any mistake in access settings or configuration leads to hours of digging through logs and fixing issues. A simpler alternative is the HOSTKEY S3 Object Storage Service. S3 Object Storage is an object storage system compatible with the Amazon S3 API. It is designed for storing any unstructured data, backups, media files, logs, build artifacts, and more. It can be connected from any S3-compatible tool, such as graphical clients like S3 Browser, command line utilities like AWS CLI, or libraries such as Boto 3 for Python. No changes to your code are required. HOSTKEY deploys a ready-to-use S3 storage in just a few minutes, with an endpoint address and automatically generated access keys. Everything is available immediately after creation. To get started, you need to register at hostkey.com, log into your account, and go to the S3 storage section. Then click Activate Storage. Select a region, currently NL, the Netherlands, and enter a bucket name, for example, My First Bucket. The pricing plan is selected automatically. Then click Create S3 Storage and confirm the order. After the storage is created, the panel displays disk usage statistics, traffic metrics, and a list of buckets. In the Credentials tab, you can find the connection details, S3 endpoint, access key, and secret key. These credentials are used for authentication in any S3 client. For example, when connecting via S3 browser, you need to select S3-compatible storage, enter the endpoint and access keys, enable secure transfer, and add the account. After that, the storage appears in the client interface and you can start working with files. You can upload files and folders into buckets, including large datasets. Upload progress is shown in real time. After uploading, you can open files, delete them, create folders, and manage access permissions. To share a file, open the permission settings and enable public access if needed. Then generate a link using Generate Web URL and use it for downloads or integration. S3 Object Storage allows you to create multiple independent storages within a single account, isolate data across projects and clients, and manage access using keys. Everything works via the standard S3 API without any code changes. S3 Object Storage provides a standard industry tool for data storage, while HOSTKEY removes the complexity of infrastructure setup. Everything is deployed automatically from the control panel, fully compatible with the Amazon S3 API and any S3 client, supports HTTPS, allows isolated storages for different projects, uses transparent pay-as-you-go billing, and includes 24/7 infrastructure support. Try HOSTKEY S3 Object Storage today. The link is in the description.